Hello, and welcome to RGB Quiz. RGB Quiz is a timed module that requires some sort of knowledge,
Please report to room A9.
thank you, of RGB color mixing, as well as this chart. I believe it's originally from RGB arithmetic. So, this is a timed module. This go button will start the timer. The timer will end up here. This grid will turn into colors, of which is explained here. I'll go over that in a moment. And then this top left will display a color. So I'm going to press go, and we're going to get a little bit of terminology out of the way before we actually do an example of this module. So we have this here. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So right here in the manual, it says that the color that appears most in the first grid is called your index color. So in this case, as we see here, is green. So our index is green. And for each of the 3 stages of this module, it will, after you progress the stage, the index color will move once through through the sequence red, green, blue. So green, stage 2. So here, stage 1 is green, stage 2 is blue, stage 3 is red. So in stage 1, only red, green, and blue will show. In stage 2, red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, and yellow will show. And in stage 3, anything in this chart can show. I'm going to stop this. So, what you have to do is, so the color that shows up in the top left here, say in this case it was blue. You have to press all of the colors in the grid, all of the squares in the grid that have the same RGB value as blue for your index color. So blue, we can say blue is made up of, we can type it as zeros and ones, is what I do. So blue can be shown as no red, no green, and a blue. So, if we have blue, we need to we need to press all of the squares in the grid after pressing go again. I'll show that again in a moment. That have a 0 value of green, aka do not have, in the first 2 stages, do not have green in them. So in this case, that would be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then we would press go to submit. And then we'd note down the next grid, and so on. The index color would go to blue, and you have to press all of the ones that have the same blue value. So now we're going to actually do an example. So I'm going to press go, and I will show you how this works. So I'm going to take a screenshot, and we have green as our index color. Press go, blue shows up here, so we have to press everything that has the same green value as blue, which is 0. So press everything that has no green in it, then press go, and the lights went out. I forgot to turn that off, but we cycle it once through RGB, and when this timer runs out, the module will strike, and if you submit an incorrect submission, the module will also strike. So now we have blue, so we have to press everything that has the same blue value as blue. So everything that has blue, there. So if I were to press this yellow and press go, it would strike me. I'm not going to do that though, I'll show that off in a moment. So now it is, index color is red. Now we have to press all of the things that have the same RGB value as this color, which in our grid here is salmon, which is plus. So basically how I look at this is, for red, it's each individual grid. Blue, it is each individual row. No, excuse me. Blue, it is, blue is each individual row, yes. And then green is each individual row. God, I'm dying. So we have gray, which is not in the rightmost grid. Then we have this color, which is not, and just go through all of them and press all of them that have that are in that rightmost grid. I have to go kind of fast here, or else I'm going to run out of time. That's good. No, 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 no. And I'm gonna press go, and there we go. I'll do one more example without explaining it quite as much, because that was almost a detriment of me. However, I can explain this chart a little bit better. So, for the third stage, say you have the red as your index color. Red, if it's in this grid, it has a red value of minus. If it's in this grid, it has a red value of 0, and if it's in this grid, it has a red value of plus. For green, it is the columns. I explained that wrong. It is the column. So anything in the leftmost column of any grid has a minus, center is 0, so on. And blue is just the rows. This is all plus blue, this is all 0 blue, this is all minus blue. So, we are going to do one more example of this. If you're doing this on Voice Bomb, I suggest you get to know these colors quite well. If you're the diffuser, at least. But on EFM, it's not too bad since you can screenshot. So, here we go. So, screenshot. The most occurring color here is red. So, red is our index. We have to press everything that has the same red value as green. So, press everything that has the same red value as green. That's wrong. That's better. So now blue, green is now our index. And everything that has the same green value is yellow. So everything that has the same green value is yellow. And that's it. And now, blue is our index color. And we have to have the same blue value. That is plum. That is right here. So everything that is in this center row, we have to press. So no, that's cream is in the center row. That's not. That is. No. Gray is. The greens are very tough to tell apart, but I believe that's jade. No. No. Salmon. No. Oh, amazing. And there you are. So that has been RGB Quiz. I hope this tutorial helped, and thank you for watching.